What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Today we got a special video. We're going to be doing an unboxing and an install of a dash cam. So what makes this great, this dash cam, as you can see here, it's built right into the factory mirror. It clips right in. So there's no extra wiring. All you do is remove the housing in the back there and it pops right out, and then you clip it right into the harness of the factory mirror. So like I said, guys, it's going to be an unboxing and an install, so stay tuned. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to link a video of some guy running a red light, and you can see the quality. It's actually really impressive. So stay tuned. So we're going to be installing it here on this Gladiator. As you can see here, there's nothing there. So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and an install. So let's get to it. So, product is called Mangoal. Alright, so this can be installed, as you can see here, in a Gladiator and a Wrangler. The 2020 to 2024 Gladiators, and the Wranglers is 2018 to 2024. Nice thing about this company, they don't only do the Jeeps, they do Hondas, Toyotas. So I'm going to leave a description and the link below, and you can click on that and it'll bring you right to their website. Also, as you can see here, I've actually been using it for about 2 months now, and I highly recommend it. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, oh, there you go, box. All right, so what do we got in here? Obviously, we got some instructions right here. A zip tie. Here's your tool to remove your clip from your mirror. Right there. There's the harness, the SD card. You want to open up that bag? So here's the harness, guys. So this is sweet because it goes right into your factory mirror. Just clips right in. This connects to your new camera right here, and then it snaps right in. And of course, this should be the camera. Nice. There's your SD card slot right there. And also you can hook up, there's an app, so you can actually connect this wirelessly. So if you don't want to take the SD card out, you can just connect it wirelessly. You can watch it right through your phone. So again, I want to thank Mangoal. They're the ones that actually sent this out to me for me to try, see if I liked it. Like I said, I highly recommend it. Alright guys, we're back. So this is part 2 of this video. So it's going to be the install, as you guys can see here. So you want to hold that for me? Alright, so again, we're in a 2023 Jeep Gladiator. Alright, so there's a actual little notch down here, so I'm going to pop that in there. Alright, hold on a second, I don't want to break anything. Boom, pops right out, as you guys can see. So then this just pulls up like that. This piece pulls off. You don't need this anymore. All right, so as you can see here, there's a clip. This clip, pull it in, separates. So this is the new harness here. As you can see, that's the same clip as that one, and this one's the same clip as this one. So this one's going to go into here. Oh, if I can get it correctly, yeah, it should be that way. There it is, as you can see. And then this one's going to go right into there. All right, pretty simple. And that's going to clip into your camera right over here. All right, guys. So as you can see, I got the camera here This is the card it came with. It came with a 32 gig. Actually, I'm sorry, it's a 64 gig. All right, so you just insert that like this. Wait for the click. As you can, probably can't hear it, but there it is. Wait for the click and you're good to go. So as you guys can see here, it also comes with a little foam. I already wrapped it with the foam. Is it necessary? In my opinion, no, but it's there, so I just put it in there. It'll help it, you know, from coming apart. It does clip in really well. All right, so here's the camera. You just snap that in, boom, it's done. So now you're gonna take this wire harness, all right, and you're gonna stick it in here. So you should be able to stick all that inside here. Seems like a lot, but like I said, I've already done it once, so it works. Let me pull in there a little closer. All right, so there it is. As you can see, fits there perfectly. So now you take this bottom part and it goes right back in your little channel here. Then you go up here and it should just snap right in. Hold on, make sure I got the top right. Boom, done. As you guys can see, nice and clean all the way around. Doesn't affect anything, doesn't even touch the actual windshield. All right, nice, easy, clean install. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Again, I want to thank Mangoal for sending this out. I'm very impressed with it. I've been using it for about 2 months, and as you can see, we just got another one. Hey guys, this is just a quick introduction to the app. This is called Skycam. As you can see here, this is actually at the Google Play Store. You can pick this up on the iPhone store as well. But we're gonna connect to it. So once you go to the home screen, first thing you got to do is actually connect to your Wi-Fi. All right, so that's the Wi-Fi right there. So once you connect to that, as you can see, it says connected, no internet access. So that's actually connected to the camera. So now you can actually go to the app right there. So it's going to ask you to connect. So just switch to mobile and there you are. So we're actually connected right now. As you can see, there's a car driving by. So pretty self-explanatory. You got the camera settings down here at the bottom, the camera files. We're going to go into the settings real quick. Just your basic settings: sound recording, speaker volume, you know, obviously resolution. You can see what the minute. You can change this from 1 minute, I think. Oh wait, can you click on that? Where'd it go? Right there. So you can go 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute loops. You can change that. So you want to leave it at, just cancel it. Yep. The trade, as you can see here, the watermark. Just your basic settings. All right, go back to the home screen. So if you go back to the home screen, you have your camera files here, right there. Now it's going to pull up all your videos. As you can see here, it says no videos, but here they are. They're popping up right now. All right, and you can actually want to play one. All right, so that's loading. There it is. You can see it's playing right now. That's a video. Nice quality, 4K. Back out of that. And if you have any snapshots or any locked pictures or videos, it'll come up in there. As you can see, we don't have any. And also parking if you have that option. Hey guys, as you can see, that person just ran the red light. What a great shot. This is a night shot, as you can see. Great quality. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.